Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can use Ledger Nano X and Ledger Live mobile version. Okay, in new version it is hard to find a way to add account, and now I will show you how you can use Ledger Nano X and your mobile phone and how to add accounts. Okay, you need to install Ledger Live. You can search in App Store, or you can find link on the official Ledger website. I will also enter my affiliate link to the official Ledger web store, and you can buy new Ledger device via my link, and thank you for that. Now I will open app. Okay, now go to my Ledger and you can see pair with Bluetooth. You need to enable Bluetooth and location services on your mobile phone and Bluetooth on your Ledger. On your Ledger, where you can find Bluetooth, okay, just press the both buttons. Sorry, I am now in app. Long press. And now you can see here different option and Bluetooth enabled. Okay, and here power off, close, exit, control center. Okay, I will go to Ledger Live app. Okay, pair with Bluetooth. You just click that and you will see on-screen instructions. Everything will be fast, and in less than 1 minute you will see that your device is paired. Okay, now you can just click here. And if you want to add account, there is no. If you go here, you can see accounts, but nothing to add account. Okay. Many people have problem with this. You need to click here, assets, see all. Then you are inside assets. Then click on plus symbol, and here you can import from desktop or with your Ledger. I will choose option with Ledger, and I will now some test account add Solana. Open the Solana app on your you can hear here. That is it. Every action, just like you use Ledger Live desktop version, needs to be confirmed with your Ledger hardware wallet Ledger Nano X. There is no worry about security at all, and you can see here new account, continue, see your asset. Now you can see I have 2 accounts. If I want to send, receive, and just every action I need to confirm on my Ledger, and that is it. I don't want to this video be very long, just 5 minutes, and that is it. You can import all accounts. I didn't import all accounts, just some of them, and that is it. Use your Ledger. Nano X is my recommend because there is battery, Bluetooth connectivity, and you are safe. Follow important security steps. Don't share your recovery seed 24 or even 25 volts to anyone. And that is it. And you will be safe. And stay away from cameras. Okay. And that is it. Thank you. Bye.